Hi and welcome back to Recipe Maker channel. Let's start with baked oatmeal, which contains 220 calories. Place 2 bananas in a blender. Add 2 eggs. Season with salt and cinnamon to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Pour 200 milliliters of milk and blend well. Place the mixture in a bowl. Add 200 grams of oats. Stir. And add 40 grams of raspberries. Mix well. Place a layer of parchment paper on a narrow baking pan and pour the mixture on it. Bake for 30 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Serve with honey. Enjoy! For today's lunch, we have tomato mozzarella salad, which contains 270 calories. For the salad's dressing, take a small bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add 2 garlic cloves and stir well. Take a large bowl. Place 200 grams of cut mozzarella, 1 sliced onion, 1 chopped tomato, 30 grams of black olives, quarter bunch of parsley, and pour the dressing. Mix well. Your healthy and satisfying lunch is ready. Bon appetit! The third recipe for today is a good option for dinner: beef with veggies. For the side, take a large bowl and place 150 grams of corn. Add 1 chopped tomato, 1/3 bunch of parsley, 1 chopped onion, and some chopped jalapeno. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir well. Leave it on the side. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place a slice of beef, around 200 grams. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Roast the beef from both sides until golden brown. Serve with veggies and top with balsamic vinegar. Bon appetit! And finally, for today, we have prepared 2 drinks for you. Let's start with banana champagne smoothie. Take a blender, place 1 banana and 1 peeled orange. Pour 200 milliliters of soda and 100 milliliters of champagne. Blend until smooth and creamy. Enjoy! An alternative drink option for today is the berry banana milkshake. In a blender, place 60 grams of berries, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, pour 100 milliliters of milk, blend until smooth and creamy. Enjoy your smoothie! Thanks for watching. Drop a like and a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.